Welcome, space enthusiasts, to a mesmerizing journey aboard the International Space Station, ISS, a unique laboratory orbiting our planet, where the laws of physics take on a new dimension. Today, we'll delve into the extraordinary life of astronauts as they float above Earth, conducting groundbreaking research and experiencing the wonders of microgravity. The International Space Station, a testament to international cooperation and scientific ambition, serves as a beacon of human ingenuity in the vast expanse of space. Orbiting Earth at an altitude of about 250 miles, the ISS is a microgravity environment where astronauts from various nations live and work, conducting experiments that could not be performed on our planet. Life on the ISS is a blend of routine and discovery. Astronauts' days are meticulously planned, with schedules that include scientific research, maintenance of the station, physical exercise to counteract the effects of microgravity on the human body, and communication with mission control. The absence of gravity allows astronauts to float freely, making everyday tasks both fascinating and challenging. The ISS is divided into several modules, each with its own purpose. The laboratory modules are the heart of the station, where astronauts conduct experiments in biology, physics, astronomy, and other fields. The results of these experiments can lead to advancements in medicine, technology, and our understanding of the universe. Astronauts also grow plants in space, which not only contributes to life support systems, but also provides valuable insights into plant physiology and microgravity. These experiments are crucial for developing sustainable life support systems for long-duration space missions. The living quarters on the ISS are compact, with each astronaut having a personal space about the size of an airplane seat. Despite the cramped conditions, the view from the cupola module, with its 7 windows, offers a breathtaking panorama of Earth and the cosmos, a constant reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. The ISS is a marvel of engineering, with solar arrays that provide power, radiators to regulate temperature, and a complex life support system that recycles water and air. It's a self-contained world, where every resource must be carefully managed to sustain life. Aboard the ISS, astronauts conduct experiments that could lead to medical breakthroughs, such as the development of new drugs in a microgravity environment or the study of the human body's adaptation to space. These investigations are crucial for long-duration spaceflight and could have significant implications for healthcare on Earth. The ISS also serves as a platform for Earth observation, providing valuable data for studying our planet's climate, weather patterns, and environmental changes. Astronauts use advanced cameras and sensors to capture images and collect data that are invaluable for scientists working on environmental research and disaster response. Moreover, the station is a hub for technology testing, where new spacecraft systems, materials, and robotics are evaluated in the unique conditions of space. These tests are essential for improving spacecraft design and ensuring the safety and efficiency of future missions. The ISS is not just a scientific outpost. It's also a place where cultural exchanges occur. Astronauts from different countries live and work together, sharing their knowledge and traditions. This international collaboration fosters a spirit of unity and peace, highlighting the potential of space exploration to bring people together. As we reflect on the extraordinary life on the International Space Station, we're reminded of the incredible potential that lies in our collective human spirit. The ISS is more than just a physical structure orbiting Earth. It's a symbol of our capacity to overcome challenges, to innovate, and to work together for the common good. The experiences and discoveries on the ISS continue to inspire us, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They remind us that when we reach for the stars, we not only expand our knowledge of the universe, but also deepen our understanding of ourselves and our place within it. In closing, let us celebrate the International Space Station and the dedicated men and women who call it home. Their work is a beacon of hope, showing us that by working together, we can achieve the extraordinary and continue to explore the vast frontier of space. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage to the International Space Station. We hope you've been inspired by the extraordinary life of astronauts and the boundless possibilities of space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming of the stars. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more knowledge, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support is incredibly valuable to us.